It's your Southern Maryland Realtor, Bob Gauger here. Are you looking for a property that offers endless possibilities? Well, stay tuned because this could be your dream home on 3.71 acres of pure potential. Welcome to this charming Cape Cod, set on a sprawling 3.71 acre lot with mature trees and serene wooded privacy. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and an open floor plan perfect for entertaining. The first floor primary suite comes with a luxurious ensuite bath featuring a step-up jacuzzi and walk-in shower. The kitchen, with its custom cabinets and large island, is a chef's delight. Upstairs, 2 oversized bedrooms offer flexible space for a home office, studio, or playroom. Outside, enjoy stunning sunsets on the wraparound deck or relax on the shaded porches. There's a front porch and a side porch. With no HOA, a recent public sewer upgrade, and a large level lot, you can create the outdoor space of your dreams, whether that's an in-ground pool, a garden, or parking for your RVs and boats, or all of that. Conveniently located near Route 210, schools, and the Indian Head Naval Base, this home offers both tranquility and convenience. Don't miss your chance to own a home with so much to offer. Let's take a tour, shall we? Oh, before we do, if you or someone you know has a real estate need or just has some questions about the market or questions about the real estate industry with all of its changes, give me a call. My contact information is below. You'll be glad you did. Well, let's get the show on the road, shall we? Thank you for joining us on this tour of your potential dream home. If this captivating Cape Cod with its expansive 3.71 acre lot and endless possibilities has sparked your interest, don't hesitate to reach out for more information or to schedule a private viewing. All of my contact information is below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive property tours and market information as I post it. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your perfect home.